Ladies and gentlemen, this is the approach towards takeoff from the runway. Air India Express flight from Calcutta, from Chennai to Calcutta. In the backdrop you have these hills of Tirusalam, beautiful Namma Chennai, waiting for ADC clearance to take off. And then I will show you the azure shores of the Bay of Bengal, how beautiful it is. Chennai, I love you, my beautiful city, my home, Namma Chennai. This is of course the city line. I'll show you the Bay of Bengal very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, the mesmerizingly beautiful city of Chennai, my home, where I spent 2 magical years of my life. From the city line towards the ocean. As you can see, the buildings. Saying goodbye to the city really breaks my heart. I love you, Chennai. Chennai lives in my heart. As you can see, we are approaching the Park railway station. My hotel is somewhere over there behind. These are the calm and azure shores approaching the Bay of Bengal. As you can see, the scintillating amalgamation of the Bay of Bengal alongside the city line of Chennai. Namma Chennai boss. Namma Chennai pola vera ura illa, chance illa. Never find another city like Chennai, my beautiful city of Chennai. I will definitely miss Chennai. Look at the beaches, how beautiful they are. Now we are approaching Marina Beach, the famous Marina Beach. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Bay of Bengal. Now we're in the clouds, approaching Calcutta city. I'm going to miss this beach, this very beach I had gone for a swim almost practically every day. Marina Beach starts from there. That's the Anna Centenary, Anna Memorial. It looks very empty without me. There you go. My beautiful city of Chennai. Chennai Port. Chennai Port, saying goodbye to my beautiful city of Chennai. And now we are entering into the Bay of Bengal. This, ladies and gentlemen, below us is the very last of the azure city of Chennai, the beautiful, mesmerizingly beautiful city of Chennai. Now we have officially entered into the ocean. The majestic Bay of Bengal. This flight will be flying alongside the Bay of Bengal. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Kindly like, share and subscribe. We've come so far. Now it's just the ocean. It's just the ocean and the ships. I really miss Chennai. Definitely going to come back soon. Thank you very much.